Have you ever wondered about the rich history and societal roles of Kinnars in India? These individuals, often referred to as hijras or transgender people, are woven into the vibrant tapestry of India's past. Their roots stretch back to ancient Indian texts such as the Mahabharata and the Kama Sutra, where they were honored as a distinct gender category. This recognition of gender diversity is a testament to the complexity of India's cultural heritage. Let's delve into the fascinating journey of Kinnars, from royal courts to the present day. In ancient India, Kinnars were seen in a unique light. They stood at the crossroads of respect and discrimination, their lives filled with paradoxes. They were a distinct gender category, recognized and revered for their spiritual powers, often believed to bestow blessings and good fortune. Kinnars occupied significant roles in society, from royal advisors to performers, their presence adding a layer of intrigue and depth to the social fabric. They were guardians of sacred spaces, their spiritual aura considered to be a protective shield. Yet their existence wasn't without challenges. They faced discrimination and marginalization, their identities often misunderstood and stigmatized. Despite these hurdles, the Kinnars remained steadfast, their resilience a testament to their indomitable spirit. They were, and continue to be, an integral part of the rich tapestry of Indian society. The multifaceted roles of Kinnars in ancient India show their deep-rooted history in the country. The Mughal era marked a significant period for Kinnars. During this time, they were held in high regard and wielded considerable influence, often serving as royal advisors within the courts. Their unique perspectives were appreciated and their spiritual powers revered, making them important figures in the fabric of Mughal society. However, with the advent of British colonial rule, their fortunes dramatically shifted. The British, with their rigid Victorian moral codes, systematically oppressed the Kinnars. Their identities and lifestyles were criminalized, their voices silenced, and their influence stripped away. This marked a dark period in their history, where they faced widespread discrimination and marginalization. Yet, even in the face of such adversity, the Kinnar community stood firm. They held on to their traditions, their identities, and their sense of community. They weathered the storm of oppression with resilience and strength, demonstrating an indomitable spirit that refused to be crushed. Despite the challenges they faced, Kinnars remained a resilient community. Fast forward to modern times, Kinnars continue to make their mark in society. While societal challenges persist, the Kinnar community has remained resilient, advocating for their rights and challenging the stigmas and discrimination they face. The struggle for recognition and acceptance is ongoing. Kinnars have long been marginalized, their identities often misunderstood and misrepresented. However, they refuse to be silenced, using their voices to fight for change and equality. In recent years, efforts have been made to grant them legal recognition and protection. This is a significant step forward, but there is still much work to be done. Legal recognition is only the beginning, as societal acceptance and understanding are equally important. Kinnars have made substantial contributions to Indian society. They have been performers, advisors, and guardians of sacred spaces. Today they continue in these roles and many more, proving their worth and value in society time and time again. Their fight against stigma and discrimination has not been easy, but it has been necessary. The Kinnar community is a vibrant and vital part of India's cultural fabric. Their stories, struggles, and successes are integral to the rich tapestry of Indian history and society. In the face of adversity, Kinnars have shown remarkable resilience and continue to contribute to the richness and diversity of Indian culture. The journey of Kinnars in India is a testament to their resilience and contributions. These individuals, often referred to as hijras or transgender people, have navigated through centuries of societal challenges, yet they have remained a vibrant and enduring part of India's cultural tapestry. In the face of adversity, they have held on to their identities, their traditions, and their roles in society. From the spiritual blessings they bestow, to their performances that blend art and ritual, they have made indelible marks on the Indian cultural landscape. Even during the darkest periods of oppression under colonial rule, they refused to be erased. They held on to their heritage and continued to contribute to society in their unique ways. Today, they persist, challenging discrimination, advocating for their rights, and serving as a powerful symbol of diversity and acceptance in India. Their resilience is inspiring, their contributions are invaluable, and their history is a testament to the richness of Indian culture. Their stories, their struggles, and their triumphs deserve to be heard and celebrated.